Two breakthrough AI tools, Stable Diffusion and Perplexity AI, go head-to-head in 2025. Which one really delivers? On the left, Stable Diffusion, the powerhouse in AI image generation. And on the right, Perplexity AI, your precision research assistant. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you.
All right, so here's how we're going to do this. We'll map out all the juicy categories we're going to compare. Functionality, accuracy, integration and ecosystem, and, oh, of course, pricing. This way, you see exactly where each tool shines, or, kind of fumbles.
First up, functionality. So Stable Diffusion, let's be real. If you want high-quality images that look like they belong in an art gallery, this is your best friend. It cranks out slick visuals using Stable Diffusion XL. But if you need killer text-based output, it's kinda, well, not really in its wheelhouse. Now, Perplexity AI is all about text. Like, if you want precise, citation-rich answers, that's its jam. But image creation? Nope, not happening. So for pure image generation, Stable Diffusion wins. No contest. Moving along to accuracy. With Stable Diffusion, you can get accurate images based on whatever prompt you throw at it, most of the time. There's just one thing. Sometimes it gets the context a little mixed up. Now, Perplexity AI? Oh, and here's something cool. It doesn't just give you answers. It actually backs things up with sources. Super handy if you're writing a paper or trying not to embarrass yourself in front of your boss. But creativity? Sometimes it's less Picasso, more PowerPoint. So, who's taking this round? Perplexity AI, hands down. Next, let's talk integration and ecosystem. Stable Diffusion can totally be plugged into other apps. There are APIs and stuff, so if you're a bit of a tech whiz, that's pretty sweet. The thing is, it's still mostly all about images. Perplexity AI, on the other hand, slips right into your workflow if you're doing research, using docs, all of that good stuff. Not the best if you want to make something super creative, but for work or study, major plus. Perplexity AI is the winner here, too. Oh wait, did you know this? Perplexity AI doesn't just answer you. It literally pulls in cited sources for your research. I mean, if you've ever struggled to find where an answer came from, this is kinda a game changer. Last up, pricing. Stable Diffusion usually comes bundled with a bunch of other AI tools. Tons of pricing tiers, so you do have options. But yeah, the best features? Those are stuck behind paywalls. Perplexity AI offers a pretty generous free tier, especially for casual searches and basic research. But just like Stable Diffusion, some of the advanced goodies mean pulling out the credit card. Pricing-wise, Perplexity AI makes it a little easier to try before you commit. So this round goes to Perplexity AI. Now, imagine all these categories on a radar chart. You'd see Stable Diffusion pop right out in image generation, but Perplexity AI pretty much owns the other areas like accuracy, integration, and pricing. It's actually kind of wild to see how different their strengths are.
So here's my final take. If you're an artist, designer, or just someone who loves beautiful visuals, Stable Diffusion, easy. But if you're writing, researching, or just want solid, reliable answers complete with sources, Perplexity AI is the way to go. Ready to step into the AI universe? Go ahead. Start your AI journey today and unlock the power of Stable Diffusion and Perplexity AI. Seriously, it's 2025 and it's never been easier.